Speak English fluently.
Sight words. Words that start with A. Hello, welcome to our series on sight words. In these videos, we'll review a list of some of the most frequent words in English. One of the obstacles to speaking English fluently is that the same letter may have several different sounds, sometimes in words that seem to be written identically. For example, with the letter A, you can form both the word are and the word ate. Despite being very similar, the sound of the A is completely different. The pronunciation rules are important, and we'll go over them in other videos, but it is a process that takes time. If you can learn to recognize and pronounce this list of sight words at a glance, you will begin to communicate fluently in English much faster. Remember to repeat both the words and the phrases. Pronouncing individual words correctly is important, but so is the rhythm of the sentences. With enough practice, you will become fluent in English in less time than you think. Let's get started. A. About. After. Again. A call. Give me a call. Give me a call. About. About me. Please don't talk about me behind my back. Please don't talk about me behind my back. About. After. After lunch. Give me a call after lunch. Give me a call after lunch. After. Again. That song again. Play that song again. Play that song again. Again. An, and, another. Am. I am. I am still learning English. I am still learning English. Am. An hour. The movie starts in an hour. The movie starts in an hour. An. And a hard place. Caught between a rock and a hard place. Caught between a rock and a hard place. And. Another day. Come back another day. Come back another day. Another. Ask. At. Away. As new. It's as good as new. It's as good as new. Ask. Ask for. You only get what you ask for. You only get what you ask for. Ask. At home. She's not at home right now. She's not at home right now. At. Away. Go away. Just go away. Just go away. Away. All. Also. Any. Eight. Are. All. All together. All together now. All together now. All. Also. Also like. My favorite is chocolate, but I also like vanilla. My favorite is chocolate, but I also like vanilla. Also. Any flavor. Pick any flavor you like. Pick any flavor you like. Any. Ate. He ate. He ate to his heart's content. He ate to his heart's content. Ate. Are. You are. You are going to regret that tomorrow. You are going to regret that tomorrow. Are. Let's review the vocabulary one last time. About. After. Again. Am. An. And. Another. As. Ask. At. Away. All. Also. Any. Ate. Are. Thank you for watching this video on sight words. We hope you will enjoy the rest of the series on speaking English fluently. Leave us a comment if you have any suggestions or questions. If you liked the video, let us know. Like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video.